baby.
Close it, close
Baby.
it. Baby, get inside.
Babe, I don't want it. It's gonna attack me.
No, babe, it's not gonna attack you.
It will.
It won't,
It can sense my fear.
baby.
It looks mad.
He's more, sweetie. He's probably really scared. So
I
look,
know.
Let's check this out.
I know, but he's going to get...
There you go. He's probably tired, babe.
Sweetie, I understand. But you have to get it out of here.
I'm trying, babyta. Okay, over there. Go over there.
Sweetie. Why do we have a bird? Why do we have a bird in our house?
I don't know. I think he's gone.
No.
Come on, get inside. I don't see him. See, I opened the door for him. I mean, the window for him.
Babe, I can hear a sound. It's coming from over there.
Where?
There, in the closet. I don't want to live with a bird.
Baby, I don't see him. I think he's gone.